I'm with Thomas at Bosch Sensortec. It's Embedded World 2023. Now, Thomas, we've spoken before about some of the barometric sensing that Bosch Sensortec do. What about harsh environments? Because particularly water and electronics don't usually go together.
Yeah.
How is Bosch Sensortec overcoming that issue?
Yeah, that's actually a good question, because the challenge is water, chemicals, to achieve some kind of robustness. And we here have the solution with the BMP585 because it protects against these harsh environments. So it has a gel layer on top of the
Right.
sensor, and so you can use it in the water and also against all kind of chemicals like alcohol, acetone, so cleaning agents. And it's still working very fine. It's very robust.
Okay, and we can see behind us that we can measure actually how high or low
Yes.
the sensor is.
Yeah, and here
that's-
we combine the best sensor solution we have so far. It's based on this BMP581,
Yep.
which we launched last year. So it has this high accuracy level due to this capacitive MEMS sensor, and at the same time a low current consumption. So you can use it in a smartwatch where you have a battery-driven device.
Splendid. So how would I go about evaluating this then?
Yes. Yeah, for this, we offer, like for all our sensors, an evaluation kit. So you can buy it, a small size evaluation kit. You can test it, for example, at the air to measure it, the barometric air, but you can also use it maybe to create your own small variable and make it waterproof. And here the challenge is to make an integration, but here also we can help how you integrate this kind of sensor to make the complete product waterproof.
Sounds absolutely wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you very much for taking me through that innovation.
Thank you.